Alright, welcome traders. Patrick with Trading123.net. In this video, we're going to talk about the day's trades here on Wednesday, August 28th, 2024. And we had a record day today. 6 trades for over $5,300 in profits using the AlgoBot, just trading 3 contracts. We upped our goal. And our biggest winning trade was $1,012. We had a couple $900 trades. No, 3 $900 trades. 962, 985, 958. Then a 7 and a $600 trade. That adds up to $5,300. So here's our first trade in the morning. This is range is a little bigger, so we went for a bigger goal instead of the 640. 740 gain. 500 loss. Market's in a downtrend, and the bot caught it. And we catch the first leg here. Second leg, profit target hit. We probably could have had a goal of 1,000. Probably would have hit it, but going for the 740. I didn't know how weak the market was going to get. But if you look at the past 4 to 5 days, the market's been downtrending pretty much mostly every day. Gives a head fake at the open and then down we go. I mean, if you look at the charts in the evening, you can see this, and that's why you need to do your homework, as nobody's going to do it for you. You are in control of your profits. So first trade in the book, 785. And with the holiday week here, you know, the ES is taking some time to get going, has lighter volume, and just haven't been trading it. Like I always say, I can trade the NQ, and then look at this trade here, lasted say 3 or 4 minutes. Got short 10:43. We started it, and we were done by 10:45 or so. 10:46 say. So 3-minute trade. The ES would probably take an hour to hit this. No, 2 or 3 hours. So let's go through the other trades. But each trader has to decide what they want to trade. So after the last trade, we upped our goal to 1,000. Market had the falling off the cliff look, and you don't know how to look at that. I mean, see that. All you're going to do is pull up a chart and view the full chart, and you can see the falling off the hook, falling off the cliff look. So we get nice sell side to the downside. Our stop loss gets hit after first 2 profit targets, and I call this a 3-leg move. 1, 2, 3 moves to the downside. Profit target hit. 962 is what we got. Largest winning trade, 395. Our trail stop's working just nicely. So almost to 100% winner there. We had one small loss for $9. I could live with that. And let's look at the next trade. And we did have a trade on the ES, but I'm not going to count this one in for a daily profits. As you see, this trade started at 10:25 and was over at 11:15 or so. So 45 minutes to make $300. And same pattern as the NQ, 3 legs down. And then here's our next trade, which after that last one at 11, we called it a day, and had some things to do with the programmer, and so we didn't come back till after 2 o'clock here, and just missed this big up move here. Market was pretty much sideways from like 11:30 to 12, a very tight range, and so it exploded going into last hour and a half here, and up we go, and we caught this little run here for a nice $617 profit, still going for the $1,000 goal. Then this is our next trade right before the 3 o'clock time frame. Market exploded to the upside once again. First 2 profit targets hit, and then right here I decided to exit the trade because with the button, because it looked like it was going into resistance area, and then it just blew right through it. So that does happen. Then we get a pullback and the trend was still up. Up it goes on the 3 contracts. We get 985 profit. So it just goes to show you you can make plenty of profits just using 2 or 3 contracts here. There's the strategy performance, all the numbers, $25 commission, largest winning trade 375. So this trade here was put on like 5 minutes after our last trade here where we got the $600. We got out at 14.55 and we started this one on 14.57 2 minutes later and caught the run as the market decided to rally. Going into the last hour, into the holiday week, Labor Day weekend coming up, they sneak a rally in. Everybody's gone for the day. So that's why I say history repeats itself. That's why I came back and traded the last hour and a half, because that can happen during the holiday week. So we get in another trade here in the power hour just after 3 o'clock, and the market's still trending up. And basically it took a long here, 3 longs, 3-wave move up, well actually 4. Market was still in a downtrend here because there was some downside a little bit after that run up, and so it didn't take this trade. Then the trend changed and it took 3 longs on the 3 contracts and hit our profit goal. I mean, there's nothing really hard to do in starting this bot. You just enable it. I'm using the same profit targets that I always use and stops, and pretty much I just change the profit goal due to the conditions of the market. Strategy performance there shows the 1012 $1,000 profit, 100% winners. Largest winning trade only 211, but we had those big run-ups in the 3 waves. And going into the last 10 minutes can be a little volatile, and the market had run up, so I had a feeling we were going to run right back down. That's exactly what happened. Got a short and a long, then a short, some chop here, and then this is your falling off the cliff look. You know, you just draw a line right here. Last support, down we go. We get 958 for a great trade. Call it a day. There's the strategy performance, all the numbers. So great day of trading, rally day in the market after putting most traders to sleep after 11:30. So for more information on our bot, visit our website, Trading123.net, and click on the Strategies tab. Thanks for watching. This video went a little long. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And I may take the rest of the week off. See how things go tomorrow because of the holiday. The volume's there tomorrow. I will, put some trades on. But if not, wife's got a honey-do list.